I'm at the airport without Kyla. Like, boo, where are you? We're supposed to be in this bitch together, like. So I'm waiting for the baddest bitch to walk through, so we could board our plane.
We have a very rich bitch in the building.
Kyla's the baddest bitches here, you guys.
That's the baddest bitch, the richest bitch.
Alright, y'all. So I got me and Kyla some smoothies because, well, for one, I didn't eat that much today. Like, I don't know what's going on, but
For two, I took a sandwich, so I don't have to be out like a light.
But yeah, but for whatever reason, I could not eat today. And I need to eat because I'm not even 100 pounds. So that's weird for me not to eat because I eat like 3 men. So I got me a strawberry kiwi breeze with extra protein.
I did not know that shit move fast like that, girl. Was not the
Yes, girl.
You woke me up.
Alright, guys. So the next time you see us, we'll be in Fort Lauderdale. I know it really did feel long as fuck, but y'all, we just landed in Fort Lauderdale. I feel like I'm talking low.
This is a
Bunch of knives.
Trying to win the gunfight with a bunch of knives. I win, get off the bench and give up.
So we made it to Fort Lauderdale. We got our bags. Got a little set up watching Empire because I missed that shit. It's May 9th now. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. And we're camping and we're waiting for the rest of the gang. I know, not even a day early, like a few hours. Like we took a night flight, so we just waiting a few hours until the rest of the gang get here. Hi guys, it's 11:35.
We made it.
We made it alive. Spent the night in the airport. It was rough. I'm not gonna lie, they had us in the first half. But yes, 2 of our gang members are here now. So about to go meet them at baggage claim downstairs. Hey guys, we got our Uber.
Oh, we gotta come to a stop. Oh, all right.
I'm vlogging, y'all.
DJ, go ahead. Listen, she pay whatever she wants. She's the DJ. Y'all done messed up now.
You could turn, yeah. I don't play nothing cool.
Is this recording? Okay. So what we doing? We're walking. We gonna get tacos.
We're gonna get something to eat, bitch.
We're gonna get something to eat and just like walk around. I guess or sit around until it's time for us to check in our Airbnb. It's like 1:30. And we have to check in at 3 o'clock. So we gang. We missing a member, but
Girl, how you gonna say that?
we missing a member, but he'll be here tonight.
What's up?
He'll be here later. But right now we're 5 deep. Oh yeah, we at PF Chain. That's what we at. I haven't been here in a long time.
Would you like any appetizers? Or
No, we're just. Now you got your ID and stuff?
Airbnb is nice.
I'll come give me that dick.
This hole.
You wanna hit from the back of the dick? Come on, bitches. Follow me, old people. I'm very particular. www.deepbaddie.net.
Get at her. Follow her blog.
Period.
She's
Is a
going.
body.
Sis is ready.
Fucking right now, pussy. What y'all want to listen to?
Gang, gang, gang. On our way to Miami Beach. Yes.
21Rich, I'm blowing the money, I'm copping the fit. Designer the kicks, they loving the drip, I hope I don't slip. Who got the piff? We rolling it out, we smoking the zip.
I forgot to vlog when I got out here because I was just trying to get out here before it gets dark because it looked like it's about to rain. But yeah, we at Miami Beach. I didn't get in the water because it's too cold and it's too breezy, and some of this wind I got in my throat. But I didn't get in the water because the water was too cold and it's too breezy, and I don't like being cold because I'm an anemic. I'm anemic, and that was gonna piss me off the whole day. I was gonna want to go back to the house. So I just took pictures in the sand. Ice cream. Thank you. I got cookies and cream and pistachios. We all go. We all go.
Where we going, straight?
Period.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi guys. Back. It's 12:50 and we at where we at? What's the name of this place, y'all? I don't know. We at some pizza place on South Miami Avenue. Pizza's nasty as fuck. That's all I'm gonna say. Hey, good morning. It's not even really morning no more. It's almost 12 o'clock. We use these little Lyft scooters to get to Starbucks.
It's 0017, bitch. I am a 7-100, bitch. Fuck y'all civilization.
We're getting brunch. Like the bad bitches we are. We boozy. We eat brunch, bitch. We don't eat lunch. We don't eat breakfast. We eat brunch. So we're here.
We gotta go in one of the entrances.
We're walking to the entrance so we could rage, bitches. We about to rage.
I got a logo and V-Vibe. She got a butt tatted on east side. And she don't.
Day 2 tomorrow, about to be another succession, dude.
We'll allow day 2, bitches.
Girl, wait. That sounds lovely. I'll take one. I know you're fucking baby. Let's go. Eat up. Speed it up. Young and from the project, fucked around and got it poppin'. I'm like, fuck around and rally, but my bitch is in the trouble. She found my blood.
I got too many freaks. I do. Levi jeans, low self-esteem. He on black movie. Look like Maya, she's on fire. Who got the key? Hoes, all that wine in the bitch. I smashed the scribble in the hotel with my chains on. Hey, I'm drinking
4 a.m. I am starving. We got back to our Airbnb at like 3:30. My makeup looks a mess now. Oh, kind of look cute right here. So I got me some food from Uber Eats. I'm gonna turn this shit up a little bit. I'm tired.
Oh, what we do? Stop playing. Let's go.
I want a brand new house, I want a foreign bitch, hey, she put it all in her mouth, I want it so I'ma go get it, I want it so I'ma go get it. I just been buried in trouble cause I got a poke. Time to better than run it up, I gotta put the new veils inside of me. Back at the trap, I was tugging the people, tugging the birds, sending out the... All of my diamonds go bust out the beat, I'm dripping water, nigga, I go... Man, that bitch carrying these 50... Everybody cool, wanna be me, look at my neck and it's Fiji. Oh, damn! Let's go! Look at my neck and it's Fiji. Yeah, I came in with a song. Rich, 80 on the brick, little more than spend his money on a bitch. Never trust a nigga cause he acting like a bitch. Take a nigga bitch to the Motel 6. Let's go! I'ma go fuck that bitch. I'ma go dash that bitch. Shawty gon' suck this dick. Shawty gon' suck this dick.
Was a motherfucking success. But honest to God, we are so over this shit. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. New Orleans me now. I wanna go home. Guys, I just wanna give my final thoughts on how I felt about Miami and how I felt about Rolling Loud. And I'ma just say, just gonna cut to the chase. Miami was 10 out of 10. Like, loved it. I've been to Miami before, but I was a child. I was a kid. I was like 4, so I couldn't really enjoy it. But going as an adult, it was so much fun, you guys. If you can go, I recommend it. I don't know what's going on with Rolling Loud Miami 2020 this year because all of the stuff with the COVID-19 and stuff. Yeah, but there are other Rolling Louds. Like, there's one in New York, there's one in California. Just go. Like, you know, would I go again? No. Like, I loved it. Don't get me wrong. I loved it. I had so much fun. And I wish I could have vlogged more out there. But I was having way too much fun, y'all. I was in mosh pits. I was getting my shoes messed up. I was on necks. Like, I was having a blast. I wouldn't go again because it was too much. Like, I've been to festivals before or whatever, but when you're dealing with a big festival like this and you're dealing with people from all over around the world, you just don't know who you're gonna get. Like, I'm from New Orleans, so we're genuinely nice people and good people, but when you're dealing with people from around the world, you don't know how they was raised, you don't know what their culture is. But a lot of people had me fucked up. Let's just start there. A lot of people had me fucked up, and I wanted to, there was multiple occasions where I wanted to fight because people could not just, like, they was just being rude as fuck. Don't fight, y'all, because y'all gonna get kicked out. We don't need that. Also, I didn't get to vlog a lot because there were several occasions where I had to run for my life. I don't know what was going on. I don't know how the rumors started, or I don't know how it happened, but every day I was out there at Rolling Loud, there was instances where we had to run because there was allegedly shooting. That didn't even happen, y'all. Like, don't be scared to go because there was no shooting. I don't know why people were running, but where I'm from, you don't ask questions, you run, okay? So that was me. Miami was so beautiful, y'all. Like, I felt like a city girl, real shit. But y'all let me know what kind of content y'all would like to see in the comment section below. And hit that like button and subscribe. And I'll see y'all on the next video.